So we're going to start using this thing too. This is a lightning detector, and it'll count lightning strikes up to 20 miles away, 25 miles away. As you can see, we're in a thunderstorm watch, and we've had severe weather moving through right now in Lorain County. They had a tornado warning for Lorain County, or I'm sorry, Huron County, but they canceled that. And if it can't locate the signal like you're seeing, it'll say, please relocate. So the last strike was estimated at 7 miles away. We have one count, so I'm going to relocate the device. Until it finds the hot spot. Okay, there's 2 strikes. I'm just going to stand by the window and just film this. We're getting it pretty good here. 3 strikes. 4 strikes. 5 strikes. You can hear it in the background, the thunder and lightning. Seven. 8. 9. It's a pretty good storm. Let me move over to this window here. You can't see, but my ham radio antenna goes way up in the air in the backyard. And then I have the vertical. 9. Okay, it's asking me to relocate it. Can't find it. 10 strikes. Still 7 miles away, estimated. And I just saw the flash, did you? So 11. So what we're going to do, I'm just demonstrating this because of the storm, but we're going to use this. Okay, I'll kind of hold here so you can see the flashes outside. So it's got just a couple seconds delay detecting the strikes, which is the way it's supposed to work. Okay, 6 miles away. You can hear the thunder, hopefully. Okay, a lot of lightning activity as this is moving through. Okay, hopefully you saw the flash. That was immediate detect. But what I want to do is use this in the NCOP toolbox. This is a RF detecting device. And as you see, it's detecting the lightning strikes. This is a pretty good little storm moving through with a lot of electrical activity or lightning strikes. So in theory, let me move it around here. We should be able to use this in the field. And if there's any spirits, it should set it off. Because it's the same as a REM pod, it's the same as a K2 receiver. I can transmit a radio, as you know, and set the REM pods off. I've demonstrated that in the K2, and a thunderstorm will also set the K2 off. I have not determined that with a REM pod yet, but if it set a K2 off, my suspicion is going to set this off. Obviously it's going to say strikes detected, which would be a spirit, because it ain't going to say spirit detected. But I can't wait to try this. I've got a theory it's going to work as a spirit detector, quote, spirit detector, or energy detector, in a non-thunderstorm. Oh boy, we're getting a lot of lightning now, as you can see. Okay, 5 miles is coming right up on us now. But in theory, this should act like a REM pod or a K2 meter. Yeah, she's got, oh yeah, she's going now. We got a lot of lightning activity with this one. So in theory, this should detect energy while we're ghost hunting. Oh yeah, she's ripping pretty good now. So there's your little demonstration. I got to make a hot cup of tea. I think this is going to work in the NCOP energy detect, i.e. ghost energy detection. And it should say lightning strikes detected if it does. So there's a little demo. And that's a pretty good lightning storm going on.